What's going on, people? Welcome to this video. We're going to be covering some very key points about the money in, money out V2 indicator. Now, the last point is a very important and if not the most crucial one, so make sure you stick around to find out what that is. Okay, so the money in, money out indicator is exactly what it says on the tin. It indicates points within the market where Institute is likely moving money in or money out of the market. Now, of course, it doesn't just use raw price action data. It also uses a couple of external factors, including delta, volume, and inefficiency. So, what is it that we use the money in, money out indicator for? Well, the number one thing that is a very common misconception about many indicators is the fact that people look to follow them solely based off of what they're showing themselves. Whereas we have to use any indicators, including the money in, money out, in conjunction with our system. Now, if straight away you're looking at this and you're thinking, well, I don't have a system, this is your call to go and collect data using a reputable data collection system like FX Replay, for example. You can find a link at that down below if you would like to go and check them out. You need to build a data-driven edge around whatever system you're using, and then allowing the money in, money out to be able to indicate more probability within your system. So many people spend all of their time focusing on just what the indicator is doing, or they apply an indicator to their chart and they allow it to dictate their analysis. Instead, we should be using them as a tool and as leverage for an existing system that already has an edge. We shouldn't expect an indicator to give us an edge. We should expect the edge to be elevated by said indicator. So that is point number one. Now, point number two is also a very crucial one as well. Test any usage with a data pool. Now, what this means is we're going to use our indicator logic and our indicator principle to backtest and test in a forwards environment how probable this is and how well this potentially delivers. Now, what we shouldn't do is expect something to work exactly the same or better without having data to back up what we're doing, exactly the same as the system that you may be using it in conjunction with. Now, of course, you are free to use it completely on its own and just trade from every single area. Even on the screen that we're watching now, you can see there is many opportunities to follow this with scalping moves. Now, of course, there are a few where it doesn't deliver a huge move, or maybe it doesn't deliver a move at all. But that, of course, is the nature of the market, and that's going to happen with every single trading system. So it is very important that we test and we collect a data pool on our own system and on the way that we are implementing any leveraged indicators. Now, the final point and the most important point that I think so many people do not do, and it is something that really needs to be emphasized, because the whole point of you reaching out into this industry, I believe, will be for financial freedom or time freedom or both. So how can we use it? Well, we're going to use the built-in alert feature on this indicator to reduce your chart time, allowing you to, again, leverage the automated nature of this indicator and actually getting what you want out of life, which is more time that is free. Use it to provide you with the element that you want, which is more free time. We added the alert feature purely for this because we know people want to have that freedom. So this allows you to do a markup and say to yourself, the last thing I'm looking for, or I'm looking for X, and I would also like to see a money in or money out. I will set an alert. Therefore, unless I have an alert for the money in, money out, I know the other thing's not going to be relevant for me, even if it does happen. Okay, please take note of this. I hope this has been a useful short video for you guys. As always, if you want to check out any of the indicators, you can find them on our website down below. Have a blessed day, have an amazing week, and I'll see you all in the next live stream. Peace and love.